Hey, thanks for tuning in to Kalkine TV. I'm Holly and this is the Hot Performers. Today we'll be exploring the latest news coming in from the world's largest mining company, BHP Group, which has decided to diversify its portfolio in commodities for the green energy transition. The group has made a comeback in Tanzania after years with firm commitments to invest $100 million in a nickel project. The demand for nickel has been increasing significantly, and in the past few years especially, it's seen a substantial rise due to its use in the manufacturing of electric vehicles and portable device batteries. Its use in lithium-ion batteries. It reduces the need for cobalt, a relatively more expensive material with a less transparent supply chain. Safe to say that BHP is now all geared up to explore the space. The group had not been active in the region following its spin-off as South32 in 2015. However, Mike Henry, the company's CEO, is now willing to start up in tougher regions. This comes less than a month after BHP bowed out of a bidding war for Noront Resources, which owns nickel deposits in Canada. So with that said, let's quickly glance at what this world-class project entails. Well, Kabanga is expected to commence production in 2025, aiming for a minimum output of 40,000 tons of nickel, 3,000 tons of cobalt, and 6,000 tons of copper. BHP initially planned to invest $40 million in Kabanga Nickel and $10 million in Lifezone, which owns the processing technology. The hydrometallurgical technology of Lifezone is used in the refinery as a greener way to produce metal rather than energy-intensive smelting. The significant investment in Kabanga will provide BHP with an 8.9% stake in the company, which can be further increased to 17.8% after making an additional investment of $50 million. The significant investment made by BHP will enhance the mining company's development with construction and definitive feasibility studies in line to be completed in the current year. So what does this mean for BHP? Well, contrary to the company's plan of exiting the nickel business in 2014, BHP has identified the metal as one of its priorities future-facing commodities as the company shifts away from fossil fuels. And while Kabanga holds a huge nickel deposit, it's majorly attractive because of the company's plans to use hydrometallurgical technology, which allows the refining of nickel in a more environmentally friendly way, and as predicted would be a profitable area for the country. The decision of returning to Africa marks a shift in strategy for BHP. The group had been operating mainly in more developed countries in recent years. And BHP has sold its last mining asset in Africa, the rights to develop an iron ore deposit in Guinea in 2019, as it focused on Australia, Canada and Chile instead. Well, to wrap up, with mounting pressure from climate change activists and different world organizations, the miners across the globe are diversifying their portfolio by adding multiple battery-related projects amid the rising demand for electric vehicles in the green energy transition. Kabanga's plan to produce metal in-country also agrees with Tanzania's ambition to add more value out of their minerals. So it's safe to say it is a win-win for both. Well, that is all for now on the Hot Performers, but we'll be back with more next time. Tune in then. This is Holly Shields for Kalkine TV.